Last month, the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max launched with titanium frame instead of stainless steel used in the predecessors. The novelty will not last long if rumors regarding the Xiaomi 14 series and the Samsung Galaxy S24 family pans out. According to the tipster on X, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra will all have titanium frames. There are CAD-based images of these three phones, and the images portrayed a very flat frame. Until now, it is a rumor, but it was confirmed that the S24 will be titanium clad. But now this rumors claim that all the three Samsung S24 models will have it. It might be fake, it might be true, but it's good to see Samsung planning to use titanium frames. But the only problem with titanium frames over the current aluminum frames, that is titanium will make it more heavier, as titanium is still more heavier than aluminum, but it'll be more stronger frame. So let's see how Samsung manages it.